Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 12 Steps. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable the Steam Cloud. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application. Now let us simply look at how to enable the Steam Cloud. At the top left, you can see a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. Well, once you do, this thing will open up. From here, you can change account, sign out, go offline, and do many things. But right now, all we want to do is click on settings. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the settings page. Right now, all we want to do is enable the Steam Cloud. So let's only focus on that. Right here, just below storage, you will see a button like this called as Cloud. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. The first button that you are gonna see is Enable Steam Cloud. Simply toggle on the button corresponding to it, and as such, you will have enabled Steam Cloud. That is it, guys. That's the gist of it. That is how you enable Steam Cloud. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.